In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GasBuddy username. To begin, the first step is to sign into your GasBuddy account. When you launch the app on your mobile device or navigate to the website on your computer, you will see the login screen. Here, enter your credentials like your email address and password. Make sure to double-check that your information is correct to avoid any login issues. Once signed in, you'll have access to your account settings and profile. This is important because logging in securely ensures that only you can make changes to your account. Next, open Profile Settings. On mobile devices, look for the menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines in the corner of the screen. On the web, you will find it under your account name or avatar. Tapping or clicking on this will lead you to various options related to your account. In Profile Settings, you can manage all aspects of your account, including your username, email, and personal details. This centralized location is key for maintaining your account effectively. From there, go to the Profile section. In this area, you will find all the information related to your profile, including your current username. This is where you can view what others see when they interact with you on GasBuddy. Knowing your current username is crucial before making any changes. It helps you keep track of your identity in the GasBuddy community. Now, if this is your first change, you can change your nickname, which is your username. Simply type in your new desired username in the provided field. Remember that usernames must start with buddy underscore as per GasBuddy's guidelines. Choosing a username that reflects your personality or interests can make your profile more engaging. Once you're satisfied with the new name, it's time to move on to the next step. After that, save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually found at the bottom of the profile section. Tapping or clicking this button confirms that you want to make the changes official. This step is essential as it ensures that your new username is recorded in the system. Once saved, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your changes were successful. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your new username is now active. If you've already changed your username once or need another change, the process is a bit different. Start by opening the GasBuddy Help Center. You can usually find the Help Center linked within the app or website's menu. Here, you will have access to various resources and support options. This is the right place to go when your needs exceed the app's capabilities. Next, submit a support request. In the Help Center, look for an option to contact support or submit a ticket. You will be prompted to fill out a form detailing your request. Be clear and concise about needing a username change. This helps the support team assist you more efficiently. Include a few preferred usernames in your request. Make sure these usernames still follow the buddy underscore format. Listing multiple options increases your chances of getting a name that you like. GasBuddy Support will check the names in order and assign the first available one. This process might take some time, so patience is key, but rest assured that the support team is there to help you. Note that usernames that do not start with buddy underscore or usernames that have already been changed once cannot be changed again through the app. Any additional username changes must be handled by GasBuddy Support. This is an important policy to keep in mind as it affects how often you can modify your username. Following these steps will ensure that your GasBuddy username is set up just the way you want it. Thank you for watching and happy saving.